Oh, don't you make me cry.
As soon as she sees the puppy, the girl's eyes fill with tears of joy. It's the beginning of a friendship that will last a lifetime. A puppy as a gift of love. This is indeed a surprise that melted her heart, Dot. He can't believe he has a little tornado of fur and cuddles in his hands.
Okay, it's in the box. Yeah.
An explosion of happiness. The girl can't believe her eyes. In her arms, there is an adorable puppy that seems ready to steal her heart. And the couch, too. It will be a life of hugs and wild runs in the garden.
You're keeping it, it's yours. It's a girl.
Is there anything better than receiving a puppy as a surprise? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Come on, admit it. You've always dreamed of a surprise like this, too. The surprise of the century. A little puppy that pops up and turns this girl's day into a real party. Get ready for moments of pure joy and some four-legged disasters around the house. The child thought it was just a normal gift, but as soon as the puppy pops out, the smile on his face says it all. Just graduated and already with a new four-legged friend, the perfect gift to start a new adventure.
Brooks King, yay!
Oh, Landon. Go say hi.
There you go.
A puppy as a gift? There's nothing better to make a boy's eyes shine. Between hugs and laughter, the room fills with joy and, of course, hair everywhere.